Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to enable or disable notifications in the FitBod application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app. After doing that, you will see that down below you have three options to click to. You need to click on the log. After doing that, you need to click on the top of your right corner the settings. After you have done that, you should scroll down a little bit and you will see the notifications option. Click on it and you can enable or disable the workout previews and the rest time completed. On top of that, you can also enter to the marketing communications, and here as well you can disable or enable anything that you want. Now by default everything is enabled here. If you have a preference to disable something, you can do that. I hope this video was helpful to you, and see you next time. Bye bye.